Welcome to my channel Travel Guide. Emirates A350 News and Brussels to grow fleet. Emirates received its first Airbus A350 in late 2023, planning to deploy it on long-haul routes. The airline expects to expand its A350 fleet significantly in the coming years. Meanwhile, Brussels Airlines announced plans to grow its fleet, focusing on adding more efficient aircraft to support network expansion and replace older models. Emirates A350 order. Emirates has placed a significant order for 50 Airbus A350-900 aircraft, with deliveries scheduled to begin in August 2024. This order is part of the airline's strategy to modernize and expand its fleet, enhancing its long-haul capabilities. Cabin configuration. The Emirates A350s will feature a three-class configuration, including economy, premium economy, and business class. The airline has not yet confirmed if it will include first-class suites on these aircraft, which has been a signature offering on many of its wide-body planes. Route network expansion. With the introduction of the A350, Emirates plans to expand its route network and increase frequencies on existing long-haul routes. The aircraft's efficiency and range make it suitable for both high-density and ultra-long-haul operations. Fuel efficiency. The A350's advanced design and materials, including extensive use of carbon fiber reinforced plastic, contribute to improved fuel efficiency. This aligns with Emirates' sustainability goals and helps reduce operating costs. Passenger experience. Emirates is known for its premium onboard experience, and the A350 is expected to feature state-of-the-art entertainment systems, comfortable seating, and potentially new cabin innovations to enhance passenger comfort on long-haul flights. Fleet diversification. The A350 order marks a significant diversification in Emirates' fleet, which has primarily consisted of Airbus A380s and Boeing 777s. This move provides the airline with more flexibility in aircraft deployment and route planning. Brussels Airlines fleet growth. Brussels Airlines, a member of the Lufthansa Group, has announced plans to grow its fleet by 10 aircraft over the coming years. This expansion is part of the airline's strategy to strengthen its position in the European market. Aircraft types. The fleet growth at Brussels Airlines is expected to include a mix of narrow-body and potentially wide-body aircraft. The airline currently operates Airbus A319, A320, and A330 aircraft, and the new additions are likely to be compatible with this existing fleet for operational efficiency. Network expansion. With the additional aircraft, Brussels Airlines aims to increase its presence in both short-haul and long-haul markets. This could involve adding new destinations, increasing frequencies on existing routes, and potentially exploring new markets in Africa, where the airline has historically had a strong presence. Market position. The fleet expansion is intended to solidify Brussels Airlines' position as Belgium's national carrier and strengthen its role within the Lufthansa Group. By increasing capacity and improving connectivity, the airline hopes to better compete with low-cost carriers and other full-service airlines in the European market. These developments for both Emirates and Brussels Airlines reflect the ongoing recovery and growth in the aviation industry post-pandemic. Emirates' investment in the A350 showcases its commitment to fleet modernization and long-haul operations, while Brussels Airlines' expansion plans indicate confidence in the European air travel market. Both airlines are positioning themselves to capitalize on increasing travel demand and to enhance their competitive positions in their respective markets. The success of these strategies will depend on factors such as market conditions, fuel prices, and the overall economic environment in the coming years. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.